Before we go shopping, this video was brought to you with Squarespace. Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform for entrepreneurs to stand out and succeed online. Whether you're just starting out or managing a growing brand, Squarespace makes it easy to create a beautiful website, engage with your audience, and sell anything from products to content to time, all in one place, all on your terms.
She's in Karen mode.
Welcome back to TGTV, and as I discussed at the start, this video was brought to you with Squarespace, and as a lot of you will know, I am big into online businesses, and Squarespace is the place to do just that. Whether or not it's an online business or even a passion project, Squarespace is the place to be. Squarespace got loads of features that not only enable you to build a beautiful website, but one that's super effective for what you need it for as well. So Squarespace actually offers everything you need to offer services and get paid all in one place. From consultations, events, and experiences, you can showcase your offerings with a customizable website designed to attract clients and grow your business. You can get paid on time with professional on-brand invoices and online payments too. And using something really cool called Blueprint AI, you can build your website to be exactly what you want based on very, very clever AI technology. It's designed around exactly what you want and what you need it to be. And there's no point having a great website unless people find it. So SEO tools as well. SEO is a really important thing when you're building a website, so people actually find the good work that you're putting out there. SEO tools, that is actually built in as one of the features with Squarespace as well. If you're taking payments, they help with that. But most importantly, use that link right down there below and you'll get a discount on your first website. The link is also in the pinned comments, but it's really, really important. That link there is specific to you guys and girls. Go and build a website. Let me know what you're building. And as always, I want to hear about it. So speaking of payments then, I've got to jump in to Ikea with Ianthe and the Brabus. So let's go do that.
But you want these?
Hello, welcome back to TGTV, and more specifically, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my Brabus 4x4 Square G500. Today we've got a belter of a video in store for you because we're going to Ikea. Huge effort on this channel as always. I've got my lovely fiance with me, which is, I'm sure, probably the most exciting thing about this video.
Hello.
Hello, hi. We've actually already filmed this intro, but my SD card corrupted, so we're gonna go back through it all.
So I can tell you all again about my Ikea Eket.
So we're off to get a viral cabinet from Ikea.
Yep.
Good.
It's really exciting. Can't wait.
Yeah.
TikTok viral.
TikTok viral cabinet. All very exciting. We'll show you that when we get there. I'm sure you're going to be on the edge of your seats waiting for that. And
nice. It looks like Soho Home. It's really nice.
Looks like Soho Home. Good. And you've been very busy wedding planning because we now have a venue, do we not? Where is our venue?
We have a venue. We're getting married at Hampton Court House.
Yeah.
Exciting.
You've got a wedding dress.
Got a wedding dress. Got a pre-loved wedding dress.
Designer wedding dress.
Yeah. Sustainable option of me.
70 odd grand's worth was retail price.
Yeah, it said that online, which I find wild, but it's an early start. It's a beautiful dress, and I got it for £4,000, which I know is a lot of money, but like considering the price of wedding dresses,
Yeah, it's basically free, and also you're not going to keep it, so you're going to sell it back on with the with those people. You can obviously wear it once.
Yeah, exactly. So basically free.
Basically free, and they take sort of a few £100 to sell it on again for you afterwards. So I think that's the most sustainable and cost-effective way of doing it.
Yeah, if you are getting married and your fiance is looking for a dress, or if you are a girl on here and you're looking for a dress, message me, because honestly the place is amazing and they have loads of designer dresses for just a fraction of the price because they're pre-loved, but they're like new, they're like brand new. So yeah.
Message her on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram on the screen. Yep. Don't send her any sleazy messages as well, guys. I see you. I see what you send her. I see it all. I'm not logged in. I'm not that weird, but
that would be a bit big.
Maybe I am.
Maybe. What's new in your life, Tom? How's your garage?
There. I'm glad you asked. It's all good. It's insulated. I gave you an update this morning on what the temperature and humidity was this morning, despite the fact of being.
I just woke up desperate to know what the temperature and humidity levels were in the garage.
You're married, Matt. You're going to have a lifetime of me telling you the humidity and temperature in my garage. But it's insulated. The 250's still out. Still having work done at Joe Macari. There will be a fanfare and dramatic reveal at some point.
Very exciting.
I bought some wall art and illuminated.
I bought you some wall art.
Garage signs, yeah. There's all sorts going on the walls. The walls are going to get filled with nonsense, mainly to cover up the fact I've literally just painted boarding, which you're not really supposed to. You're supposed to have plasterboarded it and all that stuff.
It looks rustic.
It does look rustic. That's one way to call it. I bought 2 mirrors. It's honestly really exciting stuff. I'm sure if you're not bowled over by the cabinet at Ikea, you're going to be bowled over by what I've stuck to the wall in my garage.
You are bowled over by the cabinet. Don't lie.
I haven't seen it yet. So anywho then, what else can we tell the lovely viewers at home?
Well, we were talking about the price of the wedding tax.
Yeah, wedding tax.
It's so expensive.
I think a lot of people I know, they're spending 50 grand, 100 grand, 150 grand on weddings, and I don't know.
I'm with you. I mean, I think I already feel at the minute a lot of pressure planning it all. I mean, I'm like borderline going to take beta blockers, honestly, because I'm like staying up at night and panicking about it. I keep going to bed at the minute and just going, we are on a floating rock that's flying through space.
There you go.
So we've
Fat boy loves it there.
Don't be rude.
Can't say that, can I?
Fat
boy.
But yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. But it's going to be a lovely day, and I'm just going to try and say, you know what, it's one day. It's one day. It's a lot of money, but we're doing it as cheap as possible.
Yeah. We're doing it as cheap as possible without it being unpleasant. I mean, I need to sort my suit out. I don't know what I'm going to do for that. I'm going to just go to Savile Row, get something tailored up. I'm not going to just flog it on afterwards. I'm probably just going to get like a nice
suit classic that you can wear again.
Yeah.
That's a good thing to do.
I'm going to be, my only thing is, I need to know obviously where it is and when it is so I can turn up. But I need to sort my suit, and I've insisted that I'm going to drive my Ferrari 250 there and away. We're going to do a lovely, oh, there is a cup holder in here. Yeah. We're going to do a lovely flower arrangement with the Ferrari as well, which would be really cool. Yeah, hanging out the boot. You need to sort out a photographer as well. Yeah, so photography wise and videography wise, obviously we know loads and loads of them. And I don't want a wedding photographer that's like making us like pose and cuddle and like wistfully look into each other's eyes. I can't be bothered with that. We spend enough time being like poked around, like do this, do that. Like the best pics are the candid. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is that is incredibly loud. I don't know what we're gonna do, or I'm gonna sort out a couple of photographers and a couple of videographers just to be going around getting candid shots. No pose nonsense. That's what I want. Just running around, snap, 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 leave their camera in automatic mode. That is so annoying. Do you have to be doing the drains right now whilst I'm trying to record? How rude. Another pointless video. And then I'm going to say, do a memory card dump at the end. Yeah. Just give it all over to me. Then we're going to go through, select all the photos. Yeah. And also go through all the videography. And I'm just going to ask them to get 2 to 3 second bits of B-roll. And then I will make a video out of it myself. I think that's a really good idea. Because otherwise we're being quoted like 10 grand. 15 grand from these people. And look, they're mega, I get it, like these are mega photographers, they're incredible, but like we don't want that real like posed cheesy nonsense stuff. Because we do enough cheesy nonsense online, and we've done enough cheesy nonsense. I mean, you've done like bridal photography. Bridal, yeah, you shoot bridal stuff, and I don't want my wedding day feeling like just another churn. Yeah, exactly. You want to enjoy it. So yeah, that's the plan. So if you do fancy coming to our wedding and getting a few £100 just to run around with your camera in automatic mode. Canapes. Yeah, you can have some canapes. They're really nice, actually. I've been picking them. Yeah. They're going to be vegan, though, so I don't know if that's going to put you off. Everything's vegan. Lettuce with soy sauce. Some nice cocktails. Spicy margaritas going. Vegan cocktails. Good. All right, we're going to get to Ikea then. I think we've covered... Yeah, they're not still here. Be excited to see my Eket. If you're still here, then you're a true one. Cliffhanger. Yeah. Stay tuned to see the new cabinet. Here we are then, the iconic Ikea. We are in Croydon, ladies and gents. Steering lock on. Here we go. Highbrow stuff, as always. It doesn't really fit in the spaces here. Kind of does, kind of doesn't. It's a bit of a silly car to have brought to Ikea. Not the best parking, but it's actually quite difficult to park because I can't really see what's going on. I make it look like a normal size car because I'm so tall. Yeah, you're a bit lanky, so yeah, you do make it look like a normal size one. If there was a normal size human next to it, then I'm almost 6 foot. So. You are almost 6 foot. I'm well over 6 foot. Aren't I? It's always funny. Alright, let's go then. I do like this thing. Very happy with this car. I get a lot of people asking me why I still have it. Like me? Yeah, you don't like it, do you? Me and my mum asking you why you still have it. My mum, every time she comes around, goes, when is Tom going to get rid of that car? Does she honestly say that? Yeah, because all the flowers die because they don't get any sun. Well, she is on an absolute mission. She walks really fast at the best of times. I always get accused of dawdling. You're basically sprinting. There we go. I'm already depressed. I was depressed before we left, to be fair. I'll get you some of the Ikea vegan meatballs. Vegan meatballs? What about them? Yeah. I know they're... Yeah, no, they do vegan ones. Those were dead animals. They do vegan ones. Yeah, they do vegan ones, okay. What a place. Getting PTSD just to come in here before, ages ago. I came here with Shmi. Or no, I went to the Wembley one, that's arguably worse. My mum come here for fun. You and your mum come here for fun, right. Meaning business. Too tall for this.
take it.
You're marking me off. I'm bored. Where is the stuff that you need? Where is it? Where's the cabinet? You've not got anything yet. I'm so bored. I'm hungry as well. No, stop. Yeah? What is it?
It's like fake plants that you wanted. This is a great place to get fake plants.
Fake plants inside the garage. Would that be good?
You suggested it.
Yeah, but I like it.
But do you want these?
I like the fake plant idea. Yeah, these are cash. Oh, I like the ivy. 19 quid for some like fake.
How much those other ones are?
Bloody 19 quid for that?
That does seem expensive.
No,
they're £5.
Oh, still too much.
Like it.
She's off again. What about a plant like that for the garage?
And that's 60 quid.
Yeah, that's rich. It's really busy in here. Why is no one at work? Do you know? No, this is my work. I am working. I'm working really hard. This is how I earn my money. Unbelievably. Yeah, they look like cash. For those even remotely interested, I am wearing a very grubby jumper and also Bell & Ross BRO 392 on Velcro. She's asking someone. She's not taking no for an answer. Insistent that the cabinet is here. She's in Karen mode. Quite the haul then. Some fake plants, a lamp, some seat covers, and a few bulbs. The viral cabinet was here. Yeah, I ended up spending money on myself and then actually nothing that you wanted. Still there. It's a churn. The AdSense might cover it. I know I said it earlier, but this place is rammed. This is a Monday, about midday. Why is nobody working? This country is toast. Alright, home time then. You're devastated, are you?
You got stuff?
I know, I did.
Mum got stuff?
Your mum got stuff?
I got nothing.
Yeah, mine's in there. Oh yeah, I don't think you can really see that actually, can you?
I think you look really cool in the garage.
Oh yeah, the lamp's good, but I was just going to show off my subwoofer, which is in the back here, which is not even focused. There we go.
Boring.
Subwoofer in the back of the car. Listen to some beats.
I'm so upset.
So upset. You've got a restock notification on there. Probably be able to flip them on eBay. I'll tell CCN. Oh, tell CCN guys about that. Okay, fine.
Can someone sell me the Eket?
Can someone sell you the Ikea?
Not at a profit.
Not a profit. No, that's not what we encourage. We encourage profiteering at all costs. Yeah. All right.
You said you'd come back with me though when it's back in stock.
Yep. Maybe in a press car. Maybe you'll get a Bentayga or something.
Yeah, just tell
Seem
them
to
that
give
you
them
need
to
to
anyone.
go pick up an Eket from Ikea and they'll be like, of course we'll give it to you. That's
Great content. Well,
so-
they'll see this video and think, why wouldn't we want our brand aligned with that? For now, thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe, blah, 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 and stay tuned for seeing my Hector lamp in place
And my Eket.
and your Eket when you eventually get it in 2 years' time. Bye, everyone.